So here's the updated method to add reviews options in your Facebook business page. Open your Facebook and now we have to switch to our Facebook page. So go ahead and switch to the page, and now I'm going to clicking on this three dot, clicking on view as, and here as you can see currently reviews option is not available on my page. And here's how to easily add the review option. So click on your page profile or account and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, and under audience and visibility click on page and tagging. Under page and tagging settings, here you'll find this option, allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. So all you have to need, enable this option, and after that I'm going back to my page profile, and now here we can see the review successfully added, and now on anyone will be able to view and leave reviews to my page.